for Hollywood.
Here's your E on the B with D. Daniels.
Hey, welcome to E on the B. What are you doing? Good looking. Hey, it's powered by Wade Chicks Chrysler of Culpeper. Take advantage during their Big Finish 2013 event. End of year deals going on. New Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram vehicles. Check them out online. ChryslerofCulpeper.com, where the shit happens. Jingle bells. Listen, the Golden Globe nominations are out. 12 Years a Slave and American Hustle tied for the most nominations at 7. The TV and Made for TV Land. Looks like Behind the Candelabra, fantastic movie, and House of Cards, fantastic show, tied for 4 nominations. The fantastic duo Amy Poehler and Tina Fey will be hosting once again. So excited about this. By the way, it is January the 12th, in case you want to mark your calendars. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling 22. Taylor Swift, happy birthday! Listen, she's 24. She needs to change the lyrics to the song. I don't know, but I'm 24. If I fall in love, I hope he doesn't snore. Maybe that could be, you know what I'm saying, a new song for her. I think that's a good one. And this just in, Miley Cyrus will perform live at Times Square New Year's Eve for the ball drop. Listen, Miley, why don't you try to wear that skimpy teddy bear getup in New York City when it's freezing? You can't, okay? God, I hope she can. Really? No, please don't. Get all your entertainment news, B1015.com, keyword E. Mwah.